Data Science Coding for Beginners, How to Create Lists from a Dictionary in Python. In Python, a dictionary is a collection of keys and values. A key is a unique identifier for an item in a dictionary, and a value is the item itself. Dictionaries are commonly used to store data that is related to one another, such as a list of names and their corresponding ages. Sometimes, you may want to extract certain values from a dictionary and store them in a list. This can be done by creating a list from the dictionary in Python. One way to create a list from a dictionary is by using the values method. This method returns a list of all the values in the dictionary. For example, if you have a dictionary called ages that contains the names of people as keys and their corresponding ages as values, you can create a list of all the ages by calling the values method on the dictionary like this, ages.values. Another way to create a list from a dictionary is by using a for loop. This method involves iterating through the dictionary and appending the values to a list. For example, if you have a dictionary called ages that contains the names of people as keys and their corresponding ages as values, you can create a list of all the ages by using a for loop like this. Additionally, you can use the dictionary comprehension to create a list from the dictionary. This method is similar to the for loop method, but it's more concise and readable. For example, you can use the following code to create a list of all the ages from the dictionary ages. Another way to create a list from a dictionary is by using the items method. This method returns a list of all the key value pairs in the dictionary as tuples. For example, if you have a dictionary called ages that contains the names of people as keys and their corresponding ages as values, you can create a list of all the key value pairs by calling the items method on the dictionary like this, ages.items. In conclusion, you can create lists from dictionaries in Python by using the values method, the items method, a for loop or dictionary comprehension. The values method and the items method return a list of all the values or key value pairs respectively. A for loop and dictionary comprehension can be used to iterate through the dictionary and append the values to a list. It's important to choose the method that fits the problem and the data best, depends on the task you're trying to accomplish and the data you're working with. Here's an example of creating a list from a dictionary using different methods. Thanking you very much for your time. Cheers.